What's up guys, welcome to the video. We are at Famous Birthdays and we are playing Grab the Cup. I'm Carter Scher, I'm your host today, and we got
Ryan Prunty,
Lizzy Scher,
and Stove.
Let's get started. Nobody wants it.
West Hollywood is a city.
Is it?
Is it?
Yeah.
No.
Because I live in West Hollywood and you're in Los Angeles.
That's a township, I thought.
That's wrong.
Is that
Put it
a
back.
city?
Here, I got this. Put it
Los
put it back.
Angeles is a city.
San Diego.
San Francisco, San Diego, those are cities.
Wait, Carter, you
But-
gave all the answers.
But when you look at my address,
I think that's wrong.
Hermione, Ron, Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Is Harry Potter one?
What's the first and last name?
Hermione Granger, Ron Weasley, Harry Potter.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Maybe that cannot be us. David Dobrik, Liza Koshy, Mr. Beast, Carter Scher. I can go on forever.
Really? Forever?
Yeah, I can do hundreds.
Keep going.
You want me to keep going?
No, I don't want you.
God, this is so
Oh.
easy. Monopoly, Scrabble, what is it? Catan.
Too long, too long. We'd start
Risk.
counting down when he gets it.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Candyland.
Real fast.
Yeah. Shark, dolphin,
5, 4,
tortoise.
3.
Or sea
2,
turtle.
1.
tortoise.
Yeah, sea turtle.
Tortoise.
Wait, tortoise is wrong. They
Yeah,
all
that's wrong.
Sea turtle's different than a tortoise.
I guarantee you a tortoise has gone in the ocean at some point. Oh my gosh.
Whale, shark, and a fish.
Well, shark in the...
Those are 3 animals.
Fish is
A
not.
tortoise.
A fish is a type of animal. It's not.
You said name 3 animals.
Oh!
McDonald's, Arby's, Taco Bell.
He stuttered. He stuttered. Doesn't get that. Leopleurodon, T-Rex, pterodactyl.
Is that first one right?
Yes, it is. It's actually it's a water mammal or a water dinosaur.
Yeah.
It's a free flow.
Oh, that was... Name 3 rappers.
Lil Pump, A$AP Rocky, Kendrick Lamar. Does Lil Pump count?
I guess.
He is a singer, rapper.
Yeah, I think it counts.
Yeah.
I'll give it to you.
That's easy.
Ant-Man, Iron Man, and
Stutter.
Thor.
I'm just like worried I can't answer some of these questions
I
fast enough.
know.
Captain Crunch, Lucky Charms, Honey Nut Cheerios.
Great job. That was good. Honey Nut Cheerios, solid choice.
It's healthy for your heart too.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
That's what they say.
Lowers your cholesterol too.
I don't know.
Recent Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, Porky Pig. We're going old school, baby.
Very old school on that one.
I don't know.
That's all, folks. Oh,
Six Flags, Busch Gardens, King's Dominion.
King's Dominion. Isn't that a type of Six Flag?
What's Busch Gardens?
What is
Those are all the music parks that I go to. I've been to.
Really?
Yes.
Carter's making up.
I'm not making them.
I've never heard of King's Dominion before.
Go to Virginia.
It counts. You get it. Is it in Virginia?
All of them are.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Swimming,
Uh-oh,
running,
4, 3, 2.
jumping.
What is the last one?
It's a
Skydiving
sport,
is a sport.
technically.
No, it's not.
Jumping?
Tug of
Are we gonna
war.
give her jumping?
You
Snowboarding,
can jump.
skiing,
That's a sport.
and swimming.
Can you just say
Oh, I forgot you
she
can grab
says?
the cup.
Yeah.
I forgot it wasn't over.
Yeah, you can.
Jumping. Come on,
Okay,
Liz.
last one.
Oh!
Come on, Liz, this is you.
Gemini, Sagittarius, Capricorn. Woo! Thanks so much for having us at Famous Birthdays, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out our YouTube channels. Mine's Lizzy Scher.
Mine's Carter Scher.
Mine's Ryan Prunty.
Mine's Stove's Kitchen.
Bye!